Hi guys, this is Jessamine of Jessamine Creates, and today I'm showing you how I made this Christmas card. Let's go! This is what we're gonna need for this project, and it's gonna be listed below. It's any card what you have home, as long as it's blank, and then cut some watercolor paper. Mine here was it's not really 300 grams. That's fine as long as it's thick enough to do watercolor. And I'm ripping the side of the paper. So prepare your watercolor paper and your palette, so the dark values, the light values, and also I'm gonna use here brown. And then yeah, it's easy to blend now your color before you start really the painting, so you already know what color are you gonna use. I always first moist my palette before I use the color, so it's more easy to use it. Remember the point, if you're using a round brush here, try to use the point of the brush to make a line, and then press it down to make use the broad part of the brush, and then drag it, and then lift it slowly to get the point again back. So that's how I made the leaves. This is the easiest one you can use. Just use the point of the brush to create this kind of leaves. So I'm trying my best to just use the point of the brush all the time. If you press too hard with this, you're gonna have a chance to make a thick line. So again, all the things I do here, I'll show you here, is just a practice. This is not a final card that we are gonna make. This is just to show you what elements are we gonna use later on for the Christmas card. So I think it's like 1, 2, 3, three kinds of leaves, Christmas elements are we gonna use later on. So try to practice it and practice with me now. And here I'm also doing the same thing, only the point of the brush, and then the brown and the twigs. So it's just easy when you use a round brush here. If you use a different brush, like a filbert brush, it's gonna be difficult, but if you get used to it, it's also fine. So this red from Finetec, I'm also gonna use it for berries. If you can see it here from the first one I made. This is just a sample card. And yeah, why are we gonna use a washi tape? To mask the middle part of the watercolor paper, and I'm gonna show you later on why. So if you don't have any watercolor brushes, by the way, you can just use a synthetic brush as long as it's round brush. So like what I told you, first make a line and then press the brush, drag it, and then lift it slowly to get this kind of leaves. Don't rush your work, because with this one it looks maybe fast, but it's really took me 40 minutes to finish this one, also because I'm also filming at the same time. So everything I show you from the first day, from the first tutorial about how I do the leaves and everything, now I am applying it on the card itself. So when you do this kind of thing, it's gonna be random, and don't overwhelm things like this. So try to start first with light color, and then later on you proceed with dark color. From this way you're gonna have the balance of the painting, and do not make everything dark or everything light. So play a little bit. This see, I'm already going to the second process. Second phase, it's more darker. And the darker part of the painting, it's gonna be filling up all the spaces that I think need to fill up. So it looks more, how you call that? One. You know, it's not like loose element. So it's more like the dark color is filling it up to make it more as a one composition. So once you remove the washi tape, it's not gonna ruin the paper, the watercolor paper, and you will see why did I put the washi tape in the middle, because that's where I'm gonna write the text, and the text is gonna be Merry Christmas. So this is Finetec. I'm gonna put Finetec rouge red off, and this is gonna be the berries. So I use Finetec here because it's perfect for Christmas season. Finetec is just the best for this seasons of the year. So it's really nice paint, very opaque, so it's nice to combine with watercolor. So for the text, I'm not gonna make it too thick. I'm not gonna use brush pen here, just the fine liner in the middle to write the word Christmas. So instead of glue, I use double-sided tape on it because I don't like glue, because I cannot control it. When it's too much, then it's gonna be too dirty. So with double-sided tape, it looks so chic, more clean, and I love it. You see here the final product, it's already look finished like this. You can already stop from here. You can already just make this as a finished product. But of course, I love gold, so I just add more effect on it. So I have this washi tape that's already in my closet for a long time, in my drawer, sorry, and I thought like it's nice to use it here. So I used the very thin washi tape under the text Christmas to make it more Christmassy. So that's it. That's my Christmas card, first Christmas card for the year, and I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope to see you again tomorrow for another Christmas card tutorial with Jasmine Creates. Thank you for watching. Bye! If you want to remake this Christmas card, please tag us at Jasmine Creates. We would like to see your creation, and I'm so happy to share it with you. Thank you. Bye bye. Merry Christmas again.